Hi, what's going on YouTube? This is Alvin from Spiritual Fire Productions, and I'm right back with another short video. On today's video, I'm just going to be talking to you about the how the U.S. dollar is losing its value. And before I continue with that, I just encourage you all, if you're new to my channel, to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends on new content on my channel. Okay, so getting into the message today. This first slide here just talks to you about the dollar forecast collapse of 2021. Little do we know that it could be. It's slowly but surely each day, collapsing. Um, by the day is it's constantly collapsing, and um, there's a lot to to can take into consideration about the US dollar, like what is there to help back up such a collapse in the US dollar. Speaking of the speed of changes in the economic financial field, according to financial advisors, Stephen Roach gives an example of the US um, unemployment rates, which have risen, 14%, from the few weeks in 2020, left over 30 million people, that were unemployed due to, the COVID-19 virus, pandemic, the start of the pandemic, which happened 2020 of March last year. Um, Throughout the months, 7.2 to 4 trillion dollars just in the month, just with the dollar. And then, of course, the 2021 dollar forecast that indicates the downward trend for a lot of reasons, how, in 20 sometime in 2021, 35% of the US dollar could lose its value, which I wouldn't be surprised with, with all, which could also lead to, inflation. Okay. And then you have this next one that just talks about the Federal Reserve and, the dollar itself, how it gives you a basic idea of the U.S. dollar's worth. The chart here explains to you everything, how the dollar's been gradually growing, and has been gradually, as you see, as it hits 2020, the U.S. money supply grew by 3.8 trillion in 2020, equal 20% of the dollars ever created, which it has losing its value so much. And then, the next one just talks to us about how we all should be prepared for the U.S. dollar to lose its um, value. Are you prepared for economical currency crash? With the Federal Reserve, it's like they print out all this money, but a lot of people's like, okay, they print out all this money, and yet they don't have anything to really back it up. Our and it's slowly getting to that point. And then Bitcoin. Bitcoin could take over, could be the next currency, which there's been a lot of talks about cryptocurrency, especially is going on in China, them trying to stop it, for reasons. And I guess they're trying to save the US dollar and stuff too, but it's not doing much good, because it's dropping. Like I said, US dollars just losing its value each and every day, especially when the pandemic hit and stuff. I mean, it hit us real hard. People losing work, and then other places, especially around the world, with us always on certain countries like China and everything. That's why China is getting away with a lot of stuff that they're doing. But hopefully with their cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and stuff like that, are they say either way, we can try our best to save the dollar and stuff. But like I said, is dropping, dramatically, you know, especially inflation and stuff. Stocks and stuff are going down, and I will be posting more of these of more of how the dollar works and stuff, you know, with Bitcoin investments, how smaller businesses, you know, are starting to use Bitcoin, you know, in international trades as well, you know, in other countries, you know, especially like Nigeria. It's pretty big over there, you know, in Argentina, places like that. So I'm gonna post at least 4 links that talks about the U.S. dollar, and you'll see some articles that talk about Bitcoin. But it's just something, you know, to look forward to, and just, I mean, not necessarily look forward to, but to be prepared for. Correction, to be prepared for, because when economic collapse and stuff happens, you know, U.S. dollar, you know what that means, you know, digital currencies and everything about that. So I just basically just wanted to give you all a brief. Uh, Brief discussion about the U.S. dollar, and you know what to expect, and how it's, you know, it's dropping by the years. So that's just basically what this video is about. And if you all need more information, like I said, the links and stuff will be posted in the description section. So you're welcome to click on those links and read. And I just basically summed up, because I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know about the U.S. dollar and currency. So I just basically gave her, you know, a reminder, a refreshing of memory of how all this is working. So it's all the information is there. Just click on the links, and it'll take you to everything that you need to know. All right, guys. I just thank you all for watching this video, and I'll be back with more videos coming up soon. All right, guys. Take care.